Are you growing in your business? Hi, my name is Regitze and I make these little videos around business and coaching about 2-3 times a week. So if you like content like this, don't forget to like, follow and subscribe, share it with a friend and click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time you upload a new video. But let's jump into it. Are you growing in your business? The way you know is that if you're feeling too comfortable and it's easy for you, then you're probably not growing. You may be doing good and you may be happy with that, but you're probably not growing, because when we grow, we have to get out of our own comfort zone. And when we get out of our own comfort zone, then we're usually feeling a little overwhelmed, a little stressed maybe. So that's just a normal part of growing. So then you know if you're feeling stressed and overwhelmed, it's a good thing because you're just growing. So in my business, I've been feeling stressed and overwhelmed many times. It's part of growing a business. Just for instance, making these little videos. In the beginning, that was very stressful and overwhelming for me. But then it becomes easier, it becomes a habit, and you get experience at it, and then it's not so stressful and overwhelming anymore. And then it's just easy, and you can do something new to grow your business or to grow personally. But comment below, what are you stressful and overwhelmed about, or if you are stressed and overwhelmed in your business. And don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, share it with a friend, and click that little notification bell. And also, if you want help with starting an online coaching business, also comment below or send me a DM or an email and to learn more. Take care. Bye.